In this video, I'm going to show you 2 ways that you can use to start making short, simple videos using just text, pictures, and music in less than 5 minutes. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Lester Diaz, and in this channel, we talk about making money online, affiliate marketing, social media marketing, and everything in between. So if you're new, consider subscribing. Alright, so like I said, I'm going to show you 2 different tools which you can use. One of them is free and the other one is not free. And you can use them to create short little videos using animation, pictures, text, music. And basically you can utilize these videos on Facebook. You can use them on YouTube. If you want to set up a YouTube channel where you don't want to show your face like I'm doing right now, you can do that as well. In fact, one of the biggest YouTube channels right now with basically a ton of views every single month, they actually create this type of videos with just animation, a voiceover, and some simple text to create interesting videos. Now you can definitely make this type of videos. There's multiple different softwares and websites that you can use. You can even use your own video editing software if you know how to edit videos. But if you don't know how to do that, there's a lot of different softwares that you can use that make it really simple, really easy for a beginner to create simple little videos using animation, music, and text. So what I'm going to do today is show you 2 of those tools, mainly because they're my favorite tools. I use them on a weekly basis for many of my Facebook pages and also for a specific YouTube channels related to those Facebook pages and blogs. And they're really easy to use, very beginner friendly. Anyone can use them. I'm going to show you how they work in just a minute. But remember, if you want to make money online, you don't necessarily need to show your face. You can utilize many different types of videos to make money online, because what you really want is you want to create engaging content that people want to watch on specific topics. And a really good example on how that can work and make a lot of money is this YouTube channel called Brightside. Before we jump into the actual software and the tool that I want to show you, I just want to remind you that if you want to download my free affiliate marketing guide below, it'll show you how you can start making money online with your own affiliate marketing business by promoting other people's products and actually helping you make a full-time income online. If you want to learn how to do that, it's completely free. You can download it by clicking the link in the description below. So with that said, let's jump into the computer. Alright guys, so the first tool that I want to share with you is called VideoMakerFX. This is a software that I've been using for the past 2.5 years maybe, and it's a really unique, powerful software because it allows you to create unique videos by tweaking templates that they already provide, and the templates look really good. I'm going to show you some examples in just a few minutes, but I'm going to show you just how simple and easy it is to use, mainly because there's a lot of video editing software out there that makes it really complicated to create simple videos. And that's why I really enjoy creating promotional videos in this software, because you can create videos in less than 5 minutes. You can have a video, an HD video, ready to be uploaded to YouTube in just a matter of minutes. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to create a project, and we're going to call this just test, just to show you what the templates actually look like. So as you can see, it says you don't have any slides added. Simply click on add slide to get started. So we're going to click here, and you can see some of the actual slides that they have, and it'll give you a small preview. And by the way, every single text and every single image that you see here can be modified, can be edited to change it to whatever it is that you want to change it. The animations can be sped up, they can be changed, they can be removed, and they have so many different options that basically I haven't been able to create a video with every single template that they have, because you can modify and you can add and you can combine different templates to make a unique video. Let me show you just some of the actual templates that they have. You can see here the 3D photo effect. If you want to create something like slideshows with specific text and things like that, you can also do that. 3D promotion, you can see here captions, some more text. We got the basic one, and this is just for presentations, things like PowerPoint presentations and things like that. We got business presentations, you can see. Again, it's similar look to PowerPoint presentations. If you want to do like an animation talking about a specific product or service or something, they have templates with specific text that you can modify, you can change. In the end, you can see that you can add your company information, your website, your social media profiles, and things like that. They also have it for male and female, and they have multiple characters, as you can see here. If we click on a few, you can see the different characters that they have available. If we scroll down, you can see that they have a lot of different templates that you can use, and the best part about this is that you can basically add all the slides and do it in a matter of seconds. You don't really need to work one by one. In fact, I'm going to do that right now to show you how that looks. I'm going to click on add all slides. You can see how the slides were just added, and it tells you the amount of seconds of each specific slide, which you can then modify the text. You can change and add pictures, and even you can also include music to your video. They have a library of music which you can use with your video, and most of the music available, it's copyrighted free, so you don't have to worry about being hit with a copyright strike on YouTube or Facebook. Now, one of the things that I've done for many of my videos is that I've used people on Fiverr.com, which is a freelancing website, to create a script with a voiceover that would go along with this video. So if I wanted to create a video presentation for a product review or a specific affiliate product or something like that, then I would just create a script. I would send it to Fiverr, and I would pay about $20 or something like that. I would create a voiceover video to go along with this video, and then basically it would have a voiceover going along with the text, and it will make the video a little bit more professional. This is why VideoMakerFX allows you to upload your own music or audio, because you can utilize this to create voiceover for your videos to make it stand out. Now, if you take a look at YouTube channel, like I told you, like Brightside, this is what they do. They create videos with voiceover and just animation, music, and text, and that's basically all they do. If you wanted to combine this with a different template, all you had to do is go here. For example, you can see logo openers here. We can go here and we can say, okay, I want to add this specific slide. If you want to do that, you can just click on add slide, and you can see the slide added to our previous slides to make a unique video. Now we can edit all the points here. We can change the color of the background if you wanted to do that. Basically, it allows me to combine different slides to create unique videos depending on what I'm trying to promote, whether it's a video talking about a specific topic, not selling anything, or whether it's a video actually reviewing a product or creating something to promote an affiliate program. So this is VideoMakerFX, a very simple little software that I use. It's not expensive at all compared to other video editing softwares, and this is really newbie friendly for anyone who wants to create professional looking videos in a very short amount of time without a lot of technical aspects. And basically, once you have all your video set up with all the text, all you got to do is either preview project or export to have your video created in HD and then download it to your computer. Alright, so the next tool that I want to show you is called Lumen V, and this one I've been using also for the past year, and this one is a little bit newer than VideoMakerFX. It's web-based, so basically you just have to log into the website to be able to create your videos. But they do have some interesting features that have allowed me to turn many of my posts into videos really easily, and you can utilize this platform to create simple little videos for social media like Facebook and YouTube if you want to increase your following. Now, the best part about Lumen 5 is that they do have a free account which provides you with very limited features, but it does allow you to make a really quick video very easily. Basically, how it works is that all you have to do is just add some text, and basically you can turn that text into a video, and looks really similar to the videos that you can see on Facebook. If you take a look, you can see that the video is playing with the text on top, and then you can highlight that text, and this is what Lumen V allows you to do. So let's say you have a blog, you have a website, or you have an article that you want to turn into a video. You can utilize Lumen V to basically just turn that post into a video, allowing you to easily make a video in HD, even utilizing some of the pictures and videos that they already have inside of the website. And again, these are videos that anyone can create with no technical aspects, no video editing skills are needed, because you're basically using the text to create the videos, and you're using the pictures and the videos and the music that they already provide. The media library is huge. You can just type whatever it is that you're looking for, and they'll find pictures, they'll find videos that you can utilize on your own video without worrying about whether that video is going to get hit with a copyrighted strike on YouTube. All the content that they have on the media library, it's free to use for your videos without worrying about whether YouTube is going to take down your video. So guys, check out Lumen 5 if what you're looking to do is to create large amounts of content from specific articles or posts that you have on your blog or website. All right, so whether you like to use VideoMakerFX or you want to use Lumen 5, depending on what you want to do with your videos, what type of videos you want to create, you got to keep in mind that you got to have a plan. You got to know exactly, what type of videos you want to make, whether you want to make them to specifically make money or to drive traffic to your website, or perhaps to increase engagement in your Facebook page. Make sure you have a plan, and make sure you know exactly what type of topics you want to cover in those videos. And make sure that you have videos that people like, and have high quality videos that actually provide value to the people who are watching those videos. So I'm going to put a link for both of these tools below in the description if you want to check them out. Like I said, VideoMakerFX is a software that you can download to your computer. You can create unlimited videos, as many videos as you want. They have a ton of templates that you can use. And Lumen 5 is more of a web-based system where you can sign up for a free account. You can also upgrade, and you can create a ton of different videos using text. They already have a lot of videos in there. They already have a lot of pictures that you can use, and a lot of music. You can create unique videos that you can share on social media. So guys, I really hope that you liked this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already, because I post videos like this every single week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.